Hi everyone. In this video, we'll learn about different types of digital marketing channels. Now that you understand the basics of marketing and why digital is such a powerful tool, let's explore how each channel plays a unique role in reaching and engaging your audience. Some are great for awareness, others for conversions. By the end of this session, you will know what each one does and when to use it. Digital marketing isn't just one thing, it's a collection of strategies and platforms. Here are the 4 channels we'll cover. 1. Search engine optimization or SEO. 2. Paid search, also known as Google Ads or SEM. 3. Social media marketing. 4. Content marketing. 5. Email marketing. 6. Affiliate and influencer marketing. 7. Display and programmatic advertising. SEO is all about getting your website to show up in search engine results without paying for ads. You optimize your site so that when someone searches for best vegan cafes in Paris, your page appears near the top. Why it matters? 90% of people click links on the first page of search engines like Google. Example, a blog post titled Top 10 Vegan Cafes in Paris with relevant keywords ranks high and attract organic traffic. Paid search, also called as SEM, is when you pay to appear at the top of search engines like Google. You bid on keywords like running shoes under $100 and your ad appears when someone searches that term. Why it matters? You get instant visibility, especially for product searches. Example, a sports brand launches a Google Ads campaign for best trail running shoes and gets sales that same day. This involves using platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, X, formerly Twitter, and TikTok to reach your audience. You can post organically or run paid ads. Billions of users scroll these apps daily. Example, a fashion label runs reels on Instagram showcasing a new summer collection and adds a shop link. Next, content marketing. This is the long game. You create useful, interesting content to educate, inspire, or entertain your audience. This includes blogs, videos, infographics, and even podcasts. Great content builds trust and search traffic. Example, a personal finance coach posts YouTube videos like 5 ways to save more in 2025, gaining subscribers and leads. Email marketing. Email is one of the highest ROI digital marketing channels. You use it to send newsletters, nurture leads, share offers, and gather feedback. Why it matters? It's personal, direct, and cost-effective. Example, an e-commerce brand sends a cart reminder email with 10% discount and gets a sale within hours. Next, affiliate and influencer marketing. Affiliate marketing means other people promote your product and earn a commission per sale. Influencer marketing means working with creators who already have your audience trust. It builds instant credibility with new customers. Example, a skincare brand partners with a YouTuber to promote a product. Each sale through their links earns a 10% cut and the brand gets new customers. Next, 9. Display and programmatic advertising. Display ads are the banners you see across websites and apps. Programmatic advertising uses automation to buy those ad spaces in real time. Why it matters? You can target people by interest, location, and behavior across millions of websites. Example, a travel app runs programmatic ads during holiday season on news, lifestyle, and travel blogs. Next, when to use which channel? Let's make this really practical. Not every digital channel is meant for the same goal. Depending on what you're trying to achieve, you'll pick a channel that's best suited for it. If your goal is instant sales, maybe you have got a flash sale or product launch, go for Google Ads or social media ads. These are great for fast visibility. If you want long-term traffic, maybe you're building a blog, a content hub, or you want free traffic from search engines, go with SEO and blogging. It takes time, but compounds over months. For brand building, when you want people to remember your name, associate you with a style or identity, use social media and content marketing. These keep your brand in people's feeds and minds. To nurture leads, keep in touch, follow up, build a relationship. Use email marketing. This is especially useful for e-commerce, courses, or service businesses. If you need to build audience trust, especially when selling health, beauty, finance, or anything personal, work with influencers and encourage customer reviews. People trust more than ads. Mixing these channels correctly is the secret to successful campaigns. Just like a music band needs different instruments playing together, your digital marketing strategy works best when each channel supports the other. Now that you have seen the landscape, in the next videos, we'll dive deeper into each channel. We'll start with the most common, search plus social. By the end, you will know how to run real campaigns, not just understand them. Thanks for watching. Digital marketing is a toolkit. The better you understand each tool, the more power you have to grow any brand or your own career. We'll see you in the next video.